Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are going to learn a new short vowel sound. Okay, that is a sound. Before this, we have learned short vowel sound a, and, and. Then we have learned egg, egg. Now we are going to learn the shortest sound, that is I sound. Short sound of I is a injection, a injection, a injection.
B it to bit. B it to bit. It to fit. It to fit. Her it to hit. Her it to hit. It to sit. It to sit. It to lit. It to lit. Per it to pit. Per it to pit. K it to kit. K it to kit. D it per dip. D it per dip. H it per hip. H it per hip. It per lip. It per lip. It per ship. It per ship. T it per tip. T it per tip. It per rip. It per rip. B it the bit. B it the bit. D it the did. D it the did. It the mid. It the mid. It the lid. It the lid. K it the kid. K it the kid. H it the head. H it the head. B it bin. B it bin. It fin. It fin. K it kin. K it kin. P it pin. P it pin. S it sin. S it sin. T it tin. T it tin. W it win, w, it, win. B, it, g, big, b, it, g, big. D, it, g, dig, d, it, g, dig. It, g, fig, it, g, fig. J, it, g, jig, j, it, g, jig. P, it, g, pig, p, it, g, pig. W, it, g, wig, w, it, g, wig.
Now see the picture and complete the spelling of the word. What word is this? B, egg, big. Now this is S. Yes, sip. Now complete it yourself. T, tin, good. F, fin, you did it. K, t, kid. Yes, yes, yes. F, fig, good. Good job. K, kid. Say it. You did it. Thank you for watching. Must subscribe the channel for the new videos. Till then, Allah Hafiz. See you soon.